Hello friends, welcome to our channel Random Dictation. Subscribe our channel for regular dictations on daily basis. So this dictation is for the aspirants who prepare for Jharkhand High Court. So get ready. In this chapter, authorized insurer means an insurer for the time being carrying on general insurance business in India and granted a certificate of registration by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India established under Section 3 of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999 and any government insurance fund authorized to do general insurance business under the General Insurance Business within bracket Nationalization Act 1972 stop. Certificate of insurance means a certificate issued by an authorized insurer in pursuance of section 147 and includes a cover not complying with such requirements as may be prescribed and where more than one certificate has been issued in connection with a policy or where a copy of a certificate has been issued all those certificates or that copy as the case may be stop. Grievous hurt shall have the same meaning as assigned to it in section 320 of the Indian Penal Code. Stop, hit and run motor accident means an accident arising out of the use of a motor vehicle or motor vehicles the identity whereof cannot be ascertained in spite of reasonable efforts for the purpose. Stop. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority means the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority established under Section 3 of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority Act 1999. Stop. Policy of insurance includes certificate of insurance. Stop. Property includes roads, bridges, culverts, causeways, trees, posts, milestones, and baggage of passengers and goods carried in any motor vehicle. Stop. Reciprocating country means any such country as may, on the basis of reciprocity, be notified by the central government in the official gazette to be a reciprocating country for the purpose of this act. Stop. Third party includes the government, the driver, and any other co-worker on a transport vehicle. Stop. No person shall use except as a passenger or cause or allow any other person to use a motor vehicle. Stop.